Hey guys, what's up? Here's the glass-ionomer that I'm going to be using today. It's micron. And so right now, I'm going to prepare it. So it comes with this scoop. And I'm pretty level with it. I ran out of the papers that it came with. So that's why I'm using a piece of foil with tape over it, clear tape. I don't want to use just foil or wax paper because the wax comes off. Also, the foil will turn it kind of gray and black. It'll keep coming off onto your stuff. So you do not want to do that. So I just put packing tape over the top of this. So this is a pretty permanent solution and it looks great. Actually, I've become my own damn dentist. So we're gonna actually separate this in half like that. And this comes out into like a bubble form sometimes. So I just try to do my best with just doing one fat drop. I don't want to scrape that off there, but that just came out of the bottle, so I will use that a little bit, I guess. But anyways, it's supposed to be about one drop like that. But I waste so much because it comes up out of the bottle like that. I hate that. So I've got too much on there like that. All right, so we're gonna mix half of it first. Now once this gets mixed together, hold on baby. Once this gets mixed together, you're going to need to work with it fairly quickly. So we're gonna just mix this half first. Yes, baby. Yeah. And then we're gonna bring the other pile into it in a second.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just don't hold it.
And we're gonna form it into like a putty type of consistency. So we're gonna add more powder as we go from our pile, not from the bottle. See how it's already getting thicker? Mm-hmm.
Just wipe it like a load.
Okay, will do. So then we're gonna try to scrape it all together like that. Now we only have a few seconds to work with this.